Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 PC. So at first I open my browser and search Microsoft Teams and hit enter and go to first link. Recently Microsoft stopped Skype and they migrate Skype to Microsoft Teams. That's why we need to install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 PC to access previous Skype messages. That's why I will show you how to install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 PC. So this is the official website of Microsoft Teams. So I click on download button and then download Microsoft Teams for Windows. So I click on this button. So a setup file is download completed. So I minimize my browser and double click on ms teams setup.exe. So it give a warning, but I run this. So I click on run. So it is downloading Microsoft Teams. It will take few seconds. So I will wait here. So this is the very first look of Microsoft Team. That was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Team instead of Skype in Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.